Okay, as some of you will recall, Sean Green and I have been racing a deep-repaired Miata for years and years, and it suffered a couple of engine failures that resulted in us parking it and racing a Corvette for the past couple of years. So Sean and I have determined that we need to get the Miata back together. We're sick of the slow, fat Corvette, and we want to be going fast again in a true race car. So we found a new guy to look at the engine, rebuild it. It spun another rod bearing. I think this is what, the third one. Fortunately, the engine didn't explode, so we have a solid head and a solid engine block. But the engine builder said, hey, the crankshaft is bent. I'm like, okay, we'll get a new crankshaft. Apparently, 1.6 liter long nose or big nose cranks are hen's teeth. So the only way I was able to find one was to go to Mazda Competition. So Mazda Competition stocks 1.6 Miata big nose cranks. And so I bought one. They gave me a hell of a deal. So the parts guys are selling these cranks for Miatas for, $1,200, something like that. And I bought this for just under $700. But you have to be a Mazda racer. And if you're a Mazda racer, they'll give you a hell of a deal. So let's unbox this thing. It showed up at my doorstep. Jenny brought it in the house. This thing is freaking heavy. Oh, here we go. Oh, there it is. It's in a separate box. There's my Mazda support number on there. So they've printed this out. Let's check it out. Look at that. It's metal. Oh, look at that. Look at those journals. They're so clean. I cannot wait. Oh, here, let me pick a nose. There, look at that snout. It's so big and snouty. Here's the keyway. So the early 1.6 Miatas have this smaller nose keyway, and there's a Woodruff key that goes in here that you can put in backwards, and it's easy to install it not knowing you've got it backwards. And then when you tighten things down, the pulley that goes on the nose of this thing is wobbly and not right. And so that causes bad things to happen because the cam belt doesn't seat right, and it will cause bad things to happen to your engine. So this is why they went to this big nose crank. And yeah, we're going to spin this thing up over 8,000 RPM and hopefully not blow anything up. So yeah, I'm going to take this to the engine builder tomorrow, and hopefully we can get our replacement piston ordered. We have to do custom pistons. These are 12-to-1 pistons for the 1.6, and I'm stoked. So, woohoo! Yay!